So, here we go. I'm gonna try to remain calm as I possibly can. About 4,000 miles on this new transmission, and it's already smoked. And I literally never gave it more than quarter throttle since I've had it, since I got it back, what, 5 weeks ago from the dealership with the new transmission. Check engine light came on and it won't come out of gear. Awesome. Well, here we go again. Brand new transmission. Has a 3-year warranty on it, thank God, from the dealership. And it's stuck in second gear. Check engine light came on. I literally have not given this thing more than quarter throttle, because I told myself I'm gonna baby it and hopefully it'll last another 50,000 miles. Not gonna happen. Yeah, it's great. Now I'm really gonna be forced to buy a different vehicle because this can't keep happening. I got a busy work schedule. I got about 4 or 5 jobs going on at once right now. I got materials in here, all my tools, and now I have to take it all out again and get a rental, which is going to cost me thousands of dollars once again. So this is my second video on a ProMaster. Do not get one. I know the new ones got new transmissions. Maybe you can get one of those. But anything pre-2022, stay away from. Some of you might have lucked out. I have not. Many have not. If you look at my previous video, I'll put the link below. You can look at all the comments. A lot of failures. Engine and transmission failures. Once again, a Town and Coontry drivetrain and a 2500 chassis ProMaster, a Fiat ProMaster. And this is what you get. Unbelievable. I got nothing but bad things to say, but I mean, the ergonomics in this thing are great. I love it. Like, I love driving it. It's smooth, it's quiet, but I love the headroom back here. I love using this van because I need it. It's great, but this is absolutely ridiculous. I am extremely pissed off right now. And it's Saturday. Thank God I'm near my house so I don't have to call AAA and sit for 4 hours. But this is just absolutely ridiculous. And this is just gonna kill my schedule and cost me a lot of money. Because time is money. Look at it, it's still, let me show you. Stuck in second gear. I'm going 30 miles per hour, 3,200 RPMs. It's in drive. I stuck it in tow to see if it changed anything, it didn't. Thank God I'm near my house. Absolutely ridiculous. And they just keep putting in the same crappy transmission, probably a rebuild, with the same crappy parts. Garbage, absolute garbage. And now I'm gonna have to call FCA and give them a piece of my mind, and I'm gonna make them get me a rental this time, because this is just stupid. Absolutely ridiculous. I wish this was a video about my 1500, about going on the track and having fun, but no, this is about a RAM Promaster that just doesn't want to get better. It doesn't. It's stuck in second gear. I don't know what else to say. This is just, I guess stay tuned for what move we're gonna make next. I mean, this is absolutely ridiculous. Well, I hope everyone else is having a great day. It's Saturday, it's sunny out. At least I can enjoy the weather. I'm working near my house, so. But I hope you all have a great day, and hope you're having a better day than mine, that's for sure. Stay tuned. All right, so I spent like a lot of hours, about 4 hours at the flagship in Peabody, the Sprinter store. They sell Mercedes Sprinters. They want 60 grand for this Sprinter. They weren't willing to give me what I wanted for my truck, you know, because the market's crazy. You know, Kelley Blue Book is up to $34,000 for my truck in good condition, and they only offer like 28. So I went over to 114 Herb Chambers, where I bought my van, and he would only give me 28.5 from the manager. The general manager was there. And I went back to Mercedes and I started signing papers, and check my credit and all that. And at the same time, I'm sitting there and I'm like, I don't want another truck payment. I already have a bunch of payments I have. I have 3 different vehicles. And I'm like, you know what? Let me just drop this thing off at the dealership. It took me about 3 hours to actually realize this. Let's drop it off and let them work on it for the 3rd time. I don't know if it's bad solenoids. I don't know if they put a huge solenoid pack back in there, because it just seems kind of fishy to me after 4,000 miles that the transmission, you know, and it wasn't stuck in 2nd gear. I correct myself. It was stuck in 3rd gear. So I'm driving and there's a little bump, like a motion in the gears. Check engine light comes on and it just basically stuck in 3rd gear. And the fastest you can go is like 35 miles per hour at 4,000 RPMs. And I don't want to do that for too long. So I met Bruno. Bruno came by the dealership in Peabody, the flagship Mercedes Sprinter dealership. He gave me a ride down the street to 114, dropped my van off. I'm going to have them look at it. Hopefully it's just a solenoid. Or it needs another transmission. And once again, I have to rent a van and put all my tools in it, and just an absolute hassle. But I'm hoping it's a quick fix this time. This just kind of blows me away. Wow, 4,000 miles. And I babied it. I never went over quarter throttle. You can check the neural networking on that one. I never went over a quarter throttle, because I got that transmission back and I'm like, I'm babying this one. Maybe I can make it last another 50,000 miles till the market calms down a little bit and I can buy something new at a good rate. And the interest rates are crazy right now. They're like 6% up here. If you get perfect credit, it's like 5%. But I babied it. I babied it. I had people behind me honking at one point. I'm like, you know what? You could just calm down, driving slow. And it still went. Again, you know, stay away from ProMaster. I know they came out with a new transmission and a new engine. I believe a new engine as well for 2022. And I wanted to go see Nissan, because I used to own a Nissan. I didn't like it, but I was hoping they had a new model where the nose wasn't as big and wasn't as long. And they don't even make cargo vans anymore. That's how they're staying away from cargo vans. Like, something's going on with this country. They're cutting down resources like crazy. Parts. Something's going on. If you can't see it, you're blind. Something is going on. Something big. And just the resources that we used to have are getting cut. And there's a lot going on. I don't want to get into that. It's a lot of politics. The food industry, for example. All the suppliers around the country are burning down, and a lot of weird things. So, and if we do hit a depression, I don't want another truck payment on my agenda. So, we'll get it fixed. I'll keep you guys updated either way. I'll let you know what the deal was, what the problem was, and hopefully jump over yet another hurdle. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Peace.